Bueller sorter connection method is three-way splice. Let's see how we could use this technique. So in this technique, first you actually put the first wire in the middle of the second wire. Then you actually wrap the first wire around the second wire and wrap from up. So see, I actually wrap from up, go down, then you go to the opposite direction. So that means I go to the opposite direction, which is this direction, then again go and back here. So see, then you actually use the O wire on the left side. So here I have a little actually extra wire, but that's fine. You could actually wrap the whole things on the left side. So this is actually your three-way splice. So let's see how we could solder that. So as usual, first let's fix the wire using the helping hands and then start to solder the connection. So first we actually put the tips of the iron on the wire and we wait for a while. So we actually wait to transfer enough heat to the wire. So then actually you start from the middle of the connection. So you start from the middle, go to the left or right, then actually back to the middle and go to the opposite direction. So we start actually from the middle. So it's actually use too much solder. So we actually go to the left. Whenever you are done, so again back to the middle. So if you feel you don't have enough solder over there, so you could actually start to add more, then actually start to move to the opposite direction, which is for this connection is moving to the right. Okay, so you need to wait for a while to actually cool down the connection. Then you could actually check for any sharp edge. So for my case it's very smooth, but again if you have any sharp edge, again you could actually back here and fix that, or if you feel you have less solder in some places, you could actually back and add more solder. But for this case it is actually smooth, so it's actually fine. So this is actually how you could use three-way splice.